take a look at example 2. You notice that example 2 is having power, is having raised to power of 2. Alright, so in that case, we are not going to rationalize directly like that in order to avoid confusion. Okay, so what do we do? The first thing we are going to do is, let's interpret this. By law of indices, this simply means root 2 minus root 3 squared all over root 2 plus root 3 squared. So by law of indices, this is what it means. It means that the numerator is raised to the power of 2, the denominator is raised to the power of 2. Alright. So in this case, now this expression for the numerator, it simply means this: root 2 minus root 3 multiplied by root 2 minus root 3. That's what it means. All over root 2 plus root 3 multiplied by root 2 plus root 3. Right. So this is the meaning of this expression. Now we can now solve further. Okay. Now we can now say root 2 multiplied by root 2. That's going to give us 2. Root 2 multiplied by root 2, that's going to give us 2. Then root 2 multiplied by minus root 3, that is going to give us minus root 6. Then minus root 3 multiplied by root 2, that's going to give us minus root 6. Then minus root 3 multiplied by minus root 3, that is going to give us plus 3. Don't forget, root 3 times root 3 will give us 3. Divided by, okay, root 2 multiplied by root 2, that's going to give us 2. Root 2 multiplied by plus root 3, that's going to give us plus root 6. Then plus root 3 multiplied by root 2, that's going to give us plus root 6. Then plus root 3 multiplied by plus root 3, that's going to give us plus 3. Alright, so the next thing now is to say 2 minus 2 root 6 plus 3. How do I get minus 2 root 6? Okay, don't forget, if I have, for example now, if I have root a plus root a, this simply means 1 root a, 1 root a. Yes or no? Yes. So 1 root a plus 1 root a will give me what? 2 root a. So the same thing, if I have minus 1 root a minus 1 root a, I'm going to have minus 2 root a. So here too, this simply means minus 1 root 6 minus 1 root 6. So minus 1 root 6 minus 1 root 6 will give us minus 2 root 6. Right. And this is going to give us 2 plus root 6 plus root 6 will give me plus 2 root 6 plus 3. Right. And when I say 2 plus 3, it will give me 5 minus 2 root 6. All over 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2 root 6. Now, can we leave our answer like this? The answer is no. The reason is that when you look at the denominator, root is involved. There is a surd in the denominator. So whenever there is a surd in the denominator, for example now, let's say the answer is just 5 minus 2 root 6 all over 5. We will leave our answer like that. But because of this plus 2 root 6, the answer is in surd. The denominator is in surd form. So in that case, we are going to rationalize. To rationalize means that we want to change these numbers, this value, want to change it to a rational number. That is a number that will not involve this surd. Alright. Okay, in that case, let's rationalize.